Can you use Lyft, bike and scooter rentals? Well, the answer is yes, but bikes and scooter rentals are available in only selected cities. And if you want to check that, you want to simply open the Lyft application first. And inside the Lyft application, what you want to do is you want to allow the location access if that is prompted. On your home screen, you want to simply tap on bikes and scooter options, which will look like this. If the option is available, you can simply tap on this bikes and scooters option over here, and you want to tap on the vehicle that you want. You'd be able to review the prices as well, and tap on unlock button. After that, you want to scan the QR code if it is required and ride to your destination. After that, what you want to do is you want to simply park in an approved location and tap on end ride. And this is how you use bikes and scooters for rental on Lyft. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.